This is my take on Enchiladas Suizas. So I'm gonna be going over how to make Enchiladas Suizas with these guys right now. They're very popular, ramps and dairy. So Enchiladas Suizas, basically they call them that because it refers to the Swiss, which means it's got a lot of dairy actually. So we've got the crema on top, we've got crema in the sauce, we've got Oaxaca cheese inside of it. This is just all dairy. Which brings us to today's sponsor, dairy. Thanks for sponsoring the video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna make the salsa verde. I've made this on my channel many times. I made a salsa verde crema before this video. So this one, I'm gonna switch out the garlic and the onions for ramps. I've been using a lot of ramps this week. And this is just another way that you can utilize ramps. These have a garlicky, onion leaf flavor. These are known as wild leeks. They come around every spring. Okay, so I'm just separating the tops from the bottoms. I'm gonna roast the bottoms with the salsa, and these are gonna go blended in last. Tomatillos, jalapeño, and then these are our ramp bottoms. I'm just gonna toss in a little bit of cumin. Toss this into a 450-degree oven. Okay, so you see this cheese? This is Oaxaca cheese. This is more of a melty cheese. This is what I'm gonna use here. Okay, here's my shredded Oaxaca cheese. This is gonna be my filling for the cheese enchiladas. Okay, so this is the color I'm going for. You can go a little darker too if you want. These are ready to be blended. You can see these tomatillos give off a lot of liquid. So yes, it will blend well. So now I'm gonna add in my ramp tops to this. I'm gonna add in some Mexican crema. Then some salt to taste, lime juice, and then some chicken stock. All right. This is the dish right here. This is what makes the dish, Enchiladas Suizas. Okay, warm sauce, some warm tortillas. Let's go ahead and dip that in there. Just like that. Top it with the sauce, and then top it with the cheese. Then I'm just gonna pop this into a 400-degree oven until this cheese melts and gets all bubbly. This is the ramp powder that I made in the last video. This is just dehydrated ramp tops. That's solid. That's really good. This reminds me of the ones my aunt would make. Of course, I think mine are kind of better. Don't tell her that, but these are really good.